use Amazon Subscribe and Save to cut costs. So in order to do that, you actually must bundle at least 5 recurring monthly items to trigger the Amazon's maximum 15% discount tier. So what this does is automates your delivery service, allows you to unlock the deep product discounts and stack for the additional manufacturer coupons without paying for subscription fees. So firstly, obviously you'll need to unlock the maximum 15% tier, which is the 5-item rule. So Amazon uses a tiered pricing system based on the volume of the items delivered to a single address in your monthly delivery window. So what do you need to do is, obviously, when you receive a baseline discount, which is typically like 5% off each item, your discount instantly will jump into the maximum tier, giving you the 15% off your entire order. So what it does is max out the 20% off under the Amazon family. So after doing that, obviously you'll need to stack first order, which is obviously the clip coupons, and then you can rotate and cancel the items strategically and align your billing to the lowest price cycle. And this is how you can use Amazon Subscribe and Save to cut costs.